Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A new era of creativity unfolds the moment the Creality K1 Max 3D printer 600mm per second printing speed dual gear direct drive extruder 300 by 300 by 300mm starts turning imagination into reality. Every concept takes shape with remarkable precision, transforming simple ideas into projects that feel personal, inspiring, and deeply satisfying. A workspace becomes a center of innovation where each layer adds depth and every printed object carries meaning, making the process of creation as rewarding as the final piece. People often look for tools that allow them to bring ideas to life with both accuracy and efficiency. This printer meets that need by providing reliable and smooth performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary concepts into extraordinary works. Every printing session becomes a journey that sparks imagination, fuels inspiration, and motivates continuous creativity. Every printed creation holds significance beyond its physical form. Customized prototypes, functional models, and artistic designs gain individuality and character that make them memorable and special. Each layer reflects attention, care, and thoughtfulness, transforming simple ideas into treasured creations that can be admired, shared, and valued for years. The growing popularity of advanced 3D printing shows the demand for tools that are innovative yet approachable. This printer fulfills that perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experiments and meticulously planned projects. Its high printing speed, dual-gear direct drive extruder, and precise operation make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer opens a gateway to unlimited imagination, where every project inspires creativity, every detail stands out, and every finished piece becomes a celebrated achievement. Number 2. FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. Every creative mind dreams of a tool that turns imagination into reality, and the FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer multicolor printing intelligent filament system one-click auto-leveling group control delivers that dream. Each idea transforms into a vivid, tangible creation, allowing personal expression to flow freely. A simple workspace evolves into a center of inspiration, where every layer adds depth and every printed model reflects thoughtfulness, care, and individuality. Watching an abstract concept gradually become a finished design evokes excitement, pride, and a unique satisfaction that fuels further creativity. People crave tools that make complex projects simple while keeping precision and quality intact. This printer fulfills that need, making multicolor printing accessible and enjoyable. The intelligent filament system simplifies intricate designs, while the one-click auto-leveling ensures smooth, accurate results every time. Each print session becomes a journey where curiosity and imagination combine to produce extraordinary creations, turning ordinary ideas into remarkable works that are engaging and memorable. Every printed project carries significance beyond its physical form. Artistic models, personalized items, and functional prototypes gain character and charm, becoming objects to admire, share, and cherish. The group control feature enhances convenience, allowing multiple projects to progress efficiently without sacrificing precision or quality. The rising popularity of advanced 3D printing reflects the demand for tools that balance power with approachability. This printer meets that expectation by transforming every idea into a creative masterpiece. Each creation inspires confidence, sparks imagination, and brings lasting satisfaction, making every moment of creation a celebrated achievement. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. A spark of creativity awakens the moment the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer High-Precision Core XY Stable Structure Ultra-Quiet Max Speed 600mm per second 3D printer starts building designs, turning imagination into reality. Every idea flows into life with clarity and detail, transforming simple concepts into tangible creations that feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A workspace becomes a hub of innovation, where every project tells a story and every layer adds depth to the vision. Many people look for a tool that bridges creativity and precision, making complex ideas easy to realize. This printer fulfills that desire by providing smooth, reliable performance that feels natural and effortless. Watching a model take shape gradually creates a sense of accomplishment and excitement, turning every session into a rewarding experience that motivates continued exploration. Each printed creation becomes more than an object. Custom designs, gifts for loved ones, or functional prototypes gain a sense of uniqueness and purpose. Every layer captures thought and effort, turning each piece into a reflection of care, creativity, and passion. These creations hold lasting value, leaving an impression that goes beyond their physical form. The growing interest in multicolor, high-precision 3D printing reflects a desire for tools that are advanced, intuitive, and stable. This printer meets those expectations perfectly, allowing for both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its quiet operation and dependable structure make every print enjoyable and stress-free, encouraging repeated use. Owning this printer feels like unlocking a new way to express imagination, where every design inspires creativity, every detail matters, and every finished project becomes a treasured accomplishment that stands out. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. A world of creativity opens up when the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra AE version LCD 3D printer 7-inch 10K high-precision 3D printing 2.2-liter build volume 236mm by 231mm by 430mm begins crafting designs, transforming imagination into reality. Each idea comes to life with striking clarity and detail, turning simple concepts into tangible creations that feel meaningful, inspiring, and deeply personal. A workspace transforms into a hub of innovation where every layer tells a story and every project builds a lasting impression. People often look for tools that make it easy to bring creative visions to life while maintaining high precision. This 3D printer fulfills that desire by offering smooth, reliable performance that feels intuitive and effortless. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a sense of pride and excitement, making the creative process as enjoyable as the finished piece. Every project becomes an experience that motivates exploration and fuels imagination. Each printed object carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized models, artistic designs, and functional prototypes gain uniqueness and personality that make them stand out. Every layer reflects thought, care, and creativity, transforming ordinary ideas into treasured creations that can be admired, shared, and remembered. The growing interest in high-precision, 10K LCD 3D printing reflects the desire for advanced yet accessible tools that inspire innovation. This printer aligns perfectly with that need, supporting both spontaneous experimentation and carefully planned projects. Its stable structure, precise performance, and smooth operation make every print enjoyable, encouraging repeated exploration. Owning this printer opens a new way to express imagination, where every creation excites creativity, every detail shines, and every finished piece becomes a cherished accomplishment. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra X 3D Printer. A world of limitless creativity unfolds the moment the Anycubic Cobra X 3D printer 600mm per second max print speed 2x time and material-saving built-in 4-color printing automatic leveling printer begins bringing ideas to life. Every concept transforms into a physical creation with striking clarity, turning simple visions into projects that feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A workspace evolves into a center of innovation where each layer adds depth and every print tells a story, making the process as engaging as the finished result. Many people desire tools that allow them to express creativity easily while maintaining precision and efficiency. This printer fulfills that need by providing smooth and dependable performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching each design emerge layer by layer generates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary ideas into extraordinary creations. Every printing session becomes a journey that sparks imagination and fuels continued inspiration. Every finished piece carries significance beyond its physical form. Custom models, functional prototypes, or artistic designs gain uniqueness and personality that make them memorable and special. Each layer reflects thought, care, and creativity, transforming simple ideas into cherished works that can be admired, shared, and valued for years. The growing popularity of advanced 3D printing demonstrates the desire for tools that are innovative, precise, and approachable. This printer meets that expectation perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its high speed, for color printing capability, and automatic leveling make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative expression. Owning this printer opens a gateway to endless imagination, where every creation inspires innovation, every detail stands out, and every finished project becomes a treasured achievement.